This is a 2-bedroom villa at the Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort, Hilton Head, South Carolina. When you first walk in, straight ahead is the family room and kitchen and a balcony. To the right is a mudroom and 1 bedroom, and to the left is another bedroom. It's a huge unit. We'll go straight ahead first to the common areas. There's a family room. This has one of the newer pull-down beds that a lot of the Disney resorts are putting in now. So it's a couch with a bed that pulls down over it. It's a nice big space. Dining area in the corner. Television. Full-size kitchen. Dishwasher. Stove, microwave, fridge, all full-size appliances. Really nice space. Looks like granite counters, tile backsplash. Everything's very nice. This is the private balcony. Huge balcony. Much larger than any I've ever seen at a Disney resort. Very peaceful, quiet area here on Hilton Head. This particular unit is overlooking the marsh. There are hammocks throughout the property. There's basketball courts, lots of different picnic tables, cornhole, all kinds of things are just kind of scattered throughout this property. Go back inside. Again, this is the common area. We'll go in here and we'll turn right to go to the master. Master has its own bathroom. Here's the master bedroom. King size bed, huge room. A lot of floor space in here. Another access to the balcony. There's a little couch area over there. Storage. This is one of the split bathrooms that are common in many Disney resorts. So you have the large tub with the Goofy and Max painting above it. There's a closet over there. You have the sink. Another sink and toilet. And then nice shower. Very nice modern shower, tile and glass. And then if we go out back to the main area, this is like a mudroom. There's hooks, bench, full-size washer and dryer in here, which is unusual for a Disney resort. This is the other bedroom, which again is a huge room. 2 queen-size beds. Lots of space in this room. Lots of storage as well. Both drawers and on top with a bench. And another full bathroom over here. Another closet for storage. Little bench area over here. And another nice bathroom. Nice shower. And that's it. Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort, 2-bedroom villa.